Siraatskitchen.com and answering one simple question. Is this website legit, or should you be careful before buying? So let's break it down together. Siraatskitchen.com is an online store that sells kitchen products, with a strong focus on titanium cookware and kitchen tools. Their collection includes pans, cutting boards, utensils, and other everyday cooking accessories. The products are marketed as durable, non-toxic, and suitable for daily home cooking. Overall, the website targets people who want modern and long-lasting kitchen essentials. Now, let's talk about the positive points first. The first good sign comes from their domain registration. When we checked voice records, we found that the website was registered in October 2024. That means it has been active for over a year now. This is important because many scam websites don't survive that long, so this does add a bit of credibility. Next, we looked at their social media presence, and this is another strong point. Siraats Kitchen is active on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. On Instagram alone, they have more than 28,000 followers. This kind of activity shows transparency. They're engaging with users, posting regularly, and building a visible brand. All of this helps create trust. We also checked their customer support details. And here's another positive sign. The website provides an email address, a phone number, and even a physical address. This makes the brand feel more accessible. If customers face issues, they at least have clear ways to reach out. That's always a good thing. But now, let's talk about the part that really matters. Customer reviews. On their own website, you'll see several positive and impressive reviews. At first glance, everything looks great. However, when we checked third-party platforms, a different picture started to appear. On Trustpilot, Siraats Kitchen has a 2.6-star rating with over 400 reviews. And many of the recent reviews are quite concerning. A large number of customers report delayed deliveries, missing or unclear tracking details, and poor communication after payment. Some people say they waited weeks without any real shipping proof. Others struggled to cancel orders or get their refunds back. Many also mention receiving generic, repeated replies from customer support, which only added to their frustration. That said, there are a few customers who shared positive experiences. Some mentioned that their orders were eventually delivered and the products worked as expected when used properly. These buyers felt the wait was acceptable, especially during busy periods, and they were happy with the pan's performance. However, when we look at the bigger picture, these positive reviews are outweighed by consistent complaints about service quality, transparency, and overall reliability. So, what's the final verdict? Siraatskitchen.com does show some positive signs, like an active domain history, a visible social media presence, and clearly listed contact details. But these positives are overshadowed by a large number of negative third-party reviews. Issues like delayed shipping, unclear tracking, refund problems, and weak customer support are too frequent to ignore. While some customers did receive their orders and were satisfied, the volume of complaints suggests that buyers should proceed with caution and carefully consider the risks before making a purchase. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay informed.